Okay, I'm walking back into the family room area to point out a really neat view that you have. Depending on how you set up, obviously you're seeing out the back. This is straight back through the house. When we turn and you look out the side window, there's nothing there. You're not looking into the back of somebody else's house. You're looking at empty yard, which is really nice. Gives you some space, some tranquility, almost like being in the mountains, except it's really flat here. And then we are going to walk out onto the lanai and take a look at the pool area. So here we go. Alright, here's your gorgeous pool area. Walking up, you have your pavers, the paver lanai, with all your big palm trees around. And when you're walking around the pool area, again, you're not looking directly into a neighbor's house anywhere. Great lot. Oh, looks like we're melting into the lake. There is a shopping cart in the pool. I don't know if you want to keep that here. Maybe we can, negotiate that into the deal if there's a shopping cart in the pool. Maybe the daughter will give it up. Kind of giving you an idea from all angles. Your outside space. Here we go. And here you are at the edge of your yard. And actually when you look across and you have visited the clubhouse area, that's the clubhouse area at Saturnia Lakes.